To the topic of saliva, students, let's discuss few things. That salivary glands produces saliva, I said, and this saliva makes the food soft. Understand, students? Makes the food soft. And tongue, it helps in directing the food. When you are eating the food, you can with the help of tongue, you are chewing the food from one side to other side. You are directing with the help of the tongue. Understand, students? And next is that if that saliva contains, if this saliva contains some hormones called as amylase. Sorry, hormones, not enzyme. Sorry for that. Enzyme होता है amylase करके. What is that amylase enzyme's main function? Amylase enzyme's main function is to break the carbohydrate. Understand? तो mouth में ही other digestion नहीं, 1% of digestion takes place. That is called mechanical digestion. उसमें क्या होता है? Food break होता है and this amylase act on that carbohydrate and they break the carbohydrate into simple sugars. Understand, students? We are eating something, in that you can see that eating something, not when you are eating too many chocolates and then we are not brushing the teeth properly. What happens? This chocolates remains in the teeth. Have you ever thought one thing, that why while eating chocolate and ice cream the tooth is decaying? Why while not eating wafer? Because bacteria, they grow in they take their main food is sugar. Understand, students? So the teeth, in the teeth, the bacteria which is present in the mouth, they use the chocolates and they break the chocolate and they produce acids. So while producing acid, what is happening? The acid present, that acid started making the teeth. पहले आप देख सकते हैं that acid will change the color of the टीथ. धीरे धीरे फिर क्या करता है? वो डीके करवा देता है. मीन्स वो टीथ को डीके करवाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ इफ एनीवन आस्क यू व्हाई दैट while eating wafers the teeth is not decaying, while eating sugar why the teeth is decaying, then you say that bacteria is using the sugar and they are producing the acid. Because of that we are getting cavity in the teeth. Understand, students? And let's move to the tongue. tongue में एक छोटी छोटी dots you might be seeing here. Understand? What is that dots? That is taste bud. That small dots present in the tongue, it is called as taste buds. Okay, and the tip of the tongue, it is used for tasting the sugar and salt. Understand? And the sides of the tongue, it is used for sour taste and bitter taste. It is in the beneath the tongue. tongue के नीचे जो taste bud होता है, that is used, and that is used for tasting the bitter taste. Understand, students? Hope you understand about the buccal cavity and different types of teeth, and we can move to the next